Okay, I would like to introduce you to Cardinal. This is our software that we use for our kitchen manufacturing. This is the dashboard of Cardinal. This shows you your deposits and balances, your ship dates, and what we're going to do here today is we're going to put in a new job. So we're going to do a test job, and we're going to save that. Here is where you can select your door style. You can do a natural veneer door, a slab door, you can do a 5-piece wood door, and within the 5-piece wood doors you can actually go in and you can edit the profiles, the center panels. You can very detailed specify your product and save that. Right now we are going to actually just go back to a natural veneer acorn. We're going to do a rift cut white oak and a natural no stain, 15 sheen. We're going to do a plywood gray box, maple dovetail drawer, tandem slide. So now we've defined the cabinet, we've defined the door, and we're going to go in and we're going to add an appliance specification. So we can say, let's add a file, let's do desktop, the blind corner specification, and we're just going to call this blind corner. And we're going to save that. Now we've got that. Now we're going to go in and we're going to add a product. Let's put a base cabinet. And we'll do a base 10.5. And we're going to make it left hinged, and it's going to have a right finished end, and let's make it 9 inches wide. Okay. So now we've added this cabinet, and there's our price. We're going to add a wall cabinet, and I will show you how we can search by a exact item code. And there is a wall 3030. Let's add that. And we are going to change that one to a 29. And then we're going to modify and extend back right 1 inch for a scribe on the wall. And we're going to save that. And now we have 2 cabinets. We have our price, we have our net price, we have a customer multiplier. I'm going to hit next save. Now we have our order, we can look at the price, we say, okay, well, we want to order this cabinet, set of cabinets. So now we have a job, 41535, and we want to make this cabinet. So then we go in here, into the internal, and we've paid our money, 41535, there it is, and we're going to make a cabinet vision output. So now we've done that, we've created an ORD format, and then we're going to go into Cabinet Vision, and we are going to open up that ORD, 41535. So now those cabinets that we just input into our order entry system are right here, and they are customized, and you can see that that extend and back 1 inch is right there, and that if you go back here, you see the sizes modified to 29 inches, and then this cabinet's been modified to 9 inches. There's your base cabinet with all the engineering. So once we do that, we can go back and we will take this, and we have to make sure that our materials are correct and that our doors are going to grain match. And then we're going to move over to the S2M Center. There's all our parts. We are going to then look at materials, and then we're going to optimize the job. And there is all of the manufacturing data to build those 2 cabinets with the customization. And that's the case material. And then there's a finished end on the one finished right end. And then there's our doors. So with another small amount of processing, we would then hit the NC code and labels, and all of this information would go to the floor, It automatically goes to the two machines, and then we can also generate all of our reports. So all of the paperwork that would go to the floor can be generated here. So we can create a pick list for the shop that has all of the items, the base cabinet, it has all the parts, all the sizes. We can do a hardware summary. We can do a materials summary for the different materials that we're going to purchase, and we can make a cut list for the saw, cut list by material, and then we can do a buyout for the drawer. There's one drawer, and after printing all of this paperwork, we could run this project and manufacture those cabinets.